We're on vacation, but don't want to eat out every meal. This is what I'll make in the hotel room. With an Earl, Thiessen chicken breast tenderloins. Just gonna go ahead and cook the whole pack, though we don't have any hanging out in the hotel fridge. Around the edges here. One more Earl. Gonna let that roast up a little bit. Hey. No fighting. I got all three of them over there going with controllers on Mario now. Hey, who's Mario?
Me.
Who's Luigi?
Me.
Who's Peach? Who's winning?
I am.
All right. I usually just let this come to a boil and then cover it and let it go, mixing it every once in a while, just till all the water's gone. At least that's what Uncle Ben tells you to do, right?
Dad, I'm winning. Not winning.
Now you can even use your old takeout containers to pack out your leftovers. That way, if your kids don't want it or you have a quick meal for later. That right there was probably about $12 maybe to make entirely. I was able to feed 6 and I've got leftovers for later. I did chunk up one of my wife's pepper jack cheese squares and microwave it in there just to give it that little finishing touch. I didn't say it was healthy. I just said it was a healthier option than probably going through the drive-thru.
Oh, thank you, Jesus, for health, strength, and family. God, thank you for a wonderful meal on the table. And bless the hands that prepared it. I can do that, right? Let's roll with it.
I mean, you watched that whole video and didn't hit follow yet. That's your problem.